first off, I'm going to say a disclaimer. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the prize that I won from Inspired by a Smile. If you are offended by crocheted body parts, turn the video off now. For those of you that are not, go ahead and continue watching. So anyway, I think it was in May, well, it was for a couple months. Inspired by a Smile was doing a giveaway, and I happened to win the grand prize. And it arrived yesterday, so I told her I would do a video of the unboxing to show everyone what I got, even though most people should by now know what I got, because I mentioned it. As you can see, it had a rough time getting here. I mentioned to her that I felt kind of like it was the Ace Ventura scene where he's messing with the UPS box, and she's all like, yeah, at least it wasn't glass. So that was kind of funny. Anyway, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box so I can officially see it in person now versus a picture, and we'll go from there. So, ooh, get all the tape off here so I can actually open the box. And oh, tape's being difficult. Anyway, there. Too much tape. That's probably a good thing because of how banged up the box is. Anyway, yeah, if my property manager only knew what she was grabbing for me yesterday when I had left for work. I didn't tell her what was in the box, so she'll see it now though. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so cute, and it's so big. So, here we are. It's the giant Peter. Look how big that is. Oh my God. He's so fluffy. Oh, this is great. Yes, this would be my new emotional support penis. She said several times. I can't wait to take more video and pictures with it later on. And maybe one day I will try to make one of these myself. Have a great day, everybody.